Out here at Sunday Funday, man. George has already started breaking them loose. It's a good morning. God, drifting is super sick. Hyped on it. Yeah, we're just gonna keep throwing down. Gonna change some tires out real quick and keep filming. So to explain these clips really fast, we didn't really explain too much as we were recording because we were more concentrated on making sure that everything was going to go smooth on the progression of the driving and that we were getting all the clips that we needed and all around just having a good time.
I just wanted to show the progression I kind of made throughout the day. As you can see right here, kind of really weak sauce. I was super nervous and scared of crashing, and you can tell that throughout the day I kind of get that more full send factor and more confident to it, and it really shows in the driving.
Try to do figure eights.
Yeah, man. There you go. Woo! Oh, here's George, man. Here's George, man. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, careful, you got an ankle surgery.
No, this is months in the future.
Dude.
Bro, you have to go. The faster you go, the easier it feels, but the more like it's just like a double-edged sword. It's like, yeah, dude.
Dude,
I honestly, I just have to like have confidence in the angle, have to believe in the car, and just gas it,
right after I told you, like, you just gotta send it, and if you spin out, you learn. Like,
well,
and
see,
after
my
that,
problem
you're
is
like,
if I entry and I'm like not counter steering and I just go douche straight into the dirt, I'm so scared of that, you know. But
man, you'll be alright.
I'll be alright. I'm glad.
What are they, E46 control arms? You got an extra one.
I have two actually.
Exactly.
But that's not the point.
Man, you good, bro. Good shit, dude. Good shit. content.
I think I just need to
You
go.
gotta. I think you.
I know what I'm
More
doing.
speed,
I know
bro.
no. I keep holding the fucking wheel because I'm like scared of it, bro. I'm gonna go out and then back.
Bro, don't worry about it. See right there before it swung out, you wanted to e-brake again to kick it out to drag it. Oh good, brother, to get it.
Just barely lost it, man.
No worries, dude. Good entry, good entry.
Yeah. Fucking shit. I don't think I broke anything. See. God damn it.
My head hit the roof.
Nothing?
Nah, you look alright. Your gas cap open. You just hit it where it already got hit, bro. You're fucking good. You're fucking good, dude.
I just fucking dented it 2 times, bro.
Where'd you hit?
Right there. I think it's just the angle that I just grabbed it and I was fine.
I was like, we're going a little deep. We're going a little deep. Oh, yeah, we're up on it.
Nah, I can still send it.
How's the other one look? That's the important one.
No, because as when I'm entering this way, all the weight's on that side. So that's why I keep entering on this.
Oh, yeah, that one's not getting ripped up at all.
Yeah, I know. Fans are on. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing wrong. All right, it's this man's turn.
Don't kiss the tires. Gotta get to know.
I've never done a burn.
You got a little special seat for you, bro. Set up, bro. Set up. Just set up. Let's get it, bro.
Hell yeah, man. It's a deep ass bucket.
It's the only way you can drive it. It works.
Well, we're gonna find out.
No, it works. We already tried it. There you go.
We'll send.
Sit your ass. Hey, damn, bro. You taking off that sweater?
Hold on, bro.
Toss it.
Can't have anything in my way.
Let me see. So can you reach the pedals all right? How does that feel? Or do you have to fold the pillow?
I gotta put it a little lower.
A little lower? Hey, there you go.
Son.
Get on them cheeks. You good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
We gonna try.
Let me see. Well, let me see your hand position. Get that hand positioning, man.
A little far, but
Ah, you're good. You're gonna lean into it.
I'll be just all over the place. It'll be tight. It'll be tight.
All right, let's send it.
First time driving the E30. Oh, the clutch grabbed super late, but
Yeah. Well, which is good because you can't reach the pedals too much. It has hella angle. You could have done a U-turn right there.
I was going to. But all right, so I want to be spinning this way, right, to get that tire.
Well, don't try to do an entry, bro. You're
I'm
just.
not going to.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So try doing the harder way, which is
You want the fan on?
not yet. Once you get down there. The steering wheel, you feel it pull you to the left. It's the alignment. I think something's bent, but all right. Yeah, turn it on. Now you're gonna go this way. Immediately start counter steering. See how it spins out like that?
Hella
It's
dope.
super touchy.
Died?
Yeah. So as soon as you clutch kick or do anything, you're immediately counter steering. Try doing them this way.
There you go. Counter steer. More gas, more gas. More gas, 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 gas. Gas. Gas, gas, gas. Alright, hold on. So, you're just, be more consistent with the gas. Try it in second now, because you're really up there on the rev range.
Yeah. Oh, dude, so much angle, like so fast.
I'm telling you, like, it's really touchy.
Yeah, dude, I was not ready for how hard it whips around.
I told you. So, it's because the car's super lightweight. Well, the E36 did not feel like that. It was like, felt proper. Yeah, leave it in second and just be a little more gas. You have it, keep going, keep going. Keep sending it, sending it. There you go. There you go. There you go. I'm scared.
I'm in danger.
More gas. There you go. See how much easier that felt? Like if you kept letting go, it like makes you get all spazzy about it. Come off. I think the tires are done for sure now. Good shit though, dude. Good shit.
So fun, bro.
Money run. No! All right, this lighting's probably horrible. I'll walk backwards. So for Sunday Funday, it's coming to a close. It's just a little couple hours. Honestly, for the first time actually doing slide stuff.
And me, first time ever doing donuts, drifting, anything of that
I'm impressed with both of us. Honestly, I already knew you were gonna be successful with it because like you play Forza, man.
I got them Forza hands, bro.
Yeah, like I literally was never into cars, so I don't know. I'm just happy that I actually connected something. I connected a couple times, which was super hype.
You can see your progress learning, and I think that was like a huge step, especially in the beginning when you first got here. Like just getting the entry down.
Dude, that first run I did, it was like so mint. It was awesome.
Still takes work to like get the line all the way through, but you're killing it right now. So
awesome, man. I appreciate it. But yeah, I don't know where this is gonna take us. We're gonna find out. Maybe get more clips. You are so fucking close to the curb. God damn it, dude. Spence killer.
that's a wrap for Sunday Funday.
Good shit, man.
Thank you, George, for letting me whip the 30.
She a little slut. She likes to be baby.
It's fun,
You
dude.
gotta just give that gas.
Little bit of blah 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 blah.
Honestly, for a first time Sunday Funday, super hype.
it was sick.
Like no one got hurt, no one got injured. He had a fuse pop on his fuel pump, and that was like the worst. Later, man. You guys have a good one. Peace out,
Later,
Nick.
Nick.
All right, cool. I'm not trying to
yeah.
Oh yeah. Keep going.
Nah, super thankful for today. I mean, like first time ever drifting. It's like definitely an addicting feeling. And
I knew you were gonna do good, bro. You were like hella clutch kicking, like you would lose it, and you were like already on it clutch kicking, like you already have that.
I have a lot to learn and a lot more comfort to grab.
You just need seat time, bro. Once you get comfortable and get that scared factor out, you're gonna be way better than me, real quick for sure.
We'll see what happens, but until next time, guys, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a fun day.
Been a fun day. We gonna clap again? Let's clap again, man.